Long time no see. It's PA Camping Dad, Doogie. Wanted to show you my latest project. I made a pair of tongs. You may remember my video on the Sprongs, and while the design is really neat, it has a couple drawbacks that just didn't make it very usable. I used these one time on the trail, and the one time flipping a stake with pretty high flames, and two of my tines are bent, three of them actually. But the other real problem is you don't feel safe grabbing something, especially something heavy. There's a lot of flex to this plastic, and obviously that's what makes it light, but I know since he's come out with a metal version of these, I'm not sure what it's like, but I saw at one of our hammock group hangs, someone had a pair of wooden tongs, and these things turn out to be awesome. They're very strong. They fold to a very small package for packing. I found that a rubber band from a lobster claw works really good to keep it shut, and you can just slide it up the shaft when you're using it so you don't lose it. But let's get to a video of me using this for the first time. If people are interested, I'll post a more detailed construction video. But it's fairly simple. The trickiest part is an offset hinge pin, and that's what allows it to fold flat like that the one way and be spring-loaded the other. So let's go to the video of me flipping a stake with it for the first time and see the other things that I found. Trick that I'm trying for the first time, see how it works out. I've lifted the pin of the element stove a little bit, and then you can hook the grill underneath it, and hopefully that will prevent it from lifting like it sometimes does. As I got you zoomed in, one other little item here that I created are these fire starters. I used one of these this size to start this fire, and it was fine. I used some wood that had been sitting on the ground, so it was a good test for it. And it took a little bit, and I needed to get one good dry stick in there, and it took off. But it provided about, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes of flame with that little piece. And what it's made out of is homosote. Well, here goes. I flopped it down on the grill, and I'm going to try to recenter it. First usage of them. And that hold down is working. I'm able to roll it off of there. Let's stick to this side for now. Not bad. I think I will go rinse it off after handling the raw meat. And I'll be back at some point when it's done. So I'm fairly pleased with that. I certainly am liking them. I'll have to do some tricks with them, and I definitely need to finish some sanding on it. So the way let's try it again. So I like that side's going to be held down by the pin. Looking pretty good. So they work fine for picking up the flies tarp, which is, you know, very narrow. It's less than 1/8 of an inch. That's 1/16 of an inch, I guess. I'm just burning the drippings off. But very pleased with it, with them. And also pleased with hooking it on that pin. I disconnected it to burn the stuff off, knock it back down. Pick up burning pieces too, not worrying about the stick being hot. Very pleased with them. Just realized another great use for these. I used to, when I was done, poke a stick through these holes and balance it and dump it out to make it cool quicker. But I think these are just going to be perfect. I should be able to grab it. I think I'll probably grab it on the end. Yeah. And just dump it. Solidly holding it. That's really nice. They're cool. I think I'm really going to like this little piece of kit. I think it could be, probably will come with me every time I pack the element. Hey, get out there and have fun.